Hey folks, man, it's your boy Monk, and we back with another episode of Monk's Boxing Unboxing Video Series. Shout out to Yinny the Kid for once again loaning me some kicks to show you guys today. And today, we're going to be looking at the Off-White Jordan 5, man, and this is the sale edition. First off, we got the details on the box. I love this Swiss cheese peekaboo style. They got holes where you can kind of see through and see what's in the box, which actually comes in handy, man. Like, we probably need more of these kind of windows on sneaker boxes, especially if you have a lot and you're trying to find a pair really quick. Right out the gate, this is a unique unboxing experience for this shoe. We've got, translucent paper here that, has Off-White branding all over it, and, a Nike logo. It says Off-White. It's got off, written on it, and I think that's very unique. And this thing is beautiful, man. This is a sale, mostly sale colorway, as they call this Off-White, kind of color. Some people call it PP. Shout out to MK the Truth. And this thing is just beautiful, dude. Like, first of all, this is, the trademark for the Off-White. We also get the lace lock that we're used to getting on the Jordan 5, and this is no exception. It's also kind of in a sale colorway. We get the silver in here on the tongue with the Jordan Jumpman. I think that's a cool detail. What's interesting is all the stuff around the shoe that's normally on the outside. Like usually this 23 is embroidered. It's underneath a translucent layer of, canvas, including the Nike Air on the back, man. I think that's a really dope detail. And this is just a beautiful silhouette, man. It's one of the best silhouettes ever put out by Jordan brand. We also get the, the print that's on the side, comes with Off-Whites. Most Off-Whites have that, print stamped on it. But this 5 is different because we do have these holes that, you can see through. Like, whatever your socks color is going to be, that's going to peek through on this shoe when you're wearing it. So that's a, interesting detail. We also get shoelaces written on the laces. It does come with, extra pairs of laces with this shoe as well. So you do get a pair of red laces and a pair of black laces that also come with these sale laces. So you can mix and match them, or, maybe wear 2 at the same time, or double up the holes, man. You know what I'm saying? Maybe wear all 3 if you want. Inside, we got the Nike Air, kind of down in there. These are just fire, man. You know what I'm saying? This is a dope shoe. It's probably one of the best 5s they ever put out. I do like the gray color that he released alongside with these, slightly better. But these are just gorgeous, man. Wow, bro. This is a grail right here, man. You know what I'm saying? Once again, shout out to Yinny, man, for letting me show you guys these, man, because these are fire, bro. Whew. And it's kind of crazy right now since Virgil died. You look at the ticker on StockX, and you can see the day he died. Everything Off-White spiked up, man. You know what I'm saying? But these are fire, man. Rest in peace, Virgil. Subscribe to the channel. We're going to be back with more Monk's Box, man. Peace.